Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is MEKNEX. Recently we started a series, and on this series we do amazing things with straight hair. Today we are going to be doing spring twist. As you can see, it came out amazing. So guys, I'm going to be using this darling hair just because I don't want to go through the process of cutting, fishing, and mixing of the attachment. So this hair, I got it for 2,500, and this is how it looks. We have 5 wraps of it inside, and the hair feels a little soft. I've not used it before, so I don't know if it's going to come out well, but I'm going to make a review for those of you that want to buy it. So this hair is an already made darling hair, picked, cut, and ready to use. So you just get it, open, and start using. And it really saved me a lot of stress because I did not go through the process of combing, fishing, and all that. So I had less waste. And this, I brought out all the straws in my house, and this is the only bobby pin I had. I forgot that I did not buy my bobby pin, but there's always a way out. So here we are going to be making this wonderful spring twist. So if you do not want to use bobby pin, like I don't have enough bobby pin, so I won't be using bobby pin at the top and at the bottom. I'll just fold in the straw, and when I fold in the straw, it holds the hair, and there is nothing like unraveling. So this is just the perfect way. And when you do this hair, you want to twist around. And guys, please stay to the end of this video because I'm going to be giving you tips on how you can make this hair bouncy and coily, that it won't lose its coil. It will just stay as coily as this picture showed it. So see how it's going to come out if you twist it well. So just keep twisting down, keep twisting down. Have I told you guys, these coils, you can never go wrong with it. This spring twist coil, you can do a lot of things with it. You can do passion twist, you can do spring coils. There are a lot of things you can do. So I'll just use my bobby pin at the bottom. That's because I do not have enough bobby pin. But if you have enough, you can just use it in front, behind, and just use it. So this is how I did mine. Guys, see how fine this is looking already. So fine. So if you get it right, you are going to arrive here. I'm about to dip this into hot water, and before I do this, I'm going to melt relaxer. This is an ozone product. I'm going to melt it inside hot water before I dip it in. This will help your spring twist to stay coily and bouncy, and also it won't freeze that much. Try it and thank me later. So now I'm just going to put in the already done hair into the hot water and let it sit for about 5 minutes, then let it dry. So the hair is dried now. We are going to be unraveling it. So because I folded this in, I'm going to use the scissors to cut it out. So guys, I've always used this spring twist to make a lot of things like afro hair, coily weave on, just different things. So I decided to make a dedicated video for it because I've used this a lot. Wow, see how it came out. Very fine, shiny, and bouncy. I told you all that when you do this, you're going to have the perfect spring twist. So I'm just going to unravel it so you see how coily it's going to stay. See what I'm saying? So this video is not going to be a long video because I've always done this on my channel. See you guys next week Wednesday because I'm going to be making a wonderful hairstyle from this. Bye, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video.